Your skin protects you every second of your life. Most people damage their skin daily without realizing it. Your skin faces constant threats from the environment. Sunlight, pollution, and stress affect your skin health. Over time, these threats slowly cause visible damage. But your body has powerful protection and repair systems, and your daily habits can strengthen those systems. Healthy skin starts with understanding how it works. Your skin is more than outer appearance. It is a complex biological defense system. It works continuously to protect your body. Every second, your skin fights external damage and constantly repairs itself from within. But your skin needs proper support to stay healthy. Protection begins with knowledge and daily care. Small habits create long-term skin health. Consistency is more powerful than occasional treatment. Healthy skin is built gradually over time. Explore how your skin really works and how you can protect it effectively. Your skin is made of multiple protective layers. Each layer has an important role in skin health. The outer layer is called the epidermis, your body's first protective barrier. It blocks bacteria, toxins, and harmful particles. Below it is the dermis layer. This layer contains collagen and elastin fibers. These fibers give your skin strength and flexibility. Blood vessels also exist inside the dermis. They deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin. The dermis supports repair and skin maintenance. It contains nerves for touch and temperature. The deepest layer is called the hypodermis. This layer stores fat and protects the body. It cushions your skin against physical pressure. All skin layers work together continuously. Healthy skin depends on balanced layer function. Your skin constantly renews itself every day. New cells replace old damaged skin cells. This keeps your skin functioning properly. Strong, healthy layers improve skin protection. Weak layers allow more environmental damage. Maintaining these layers is extremely important. Your skin structure determines long-term skin health. Now, we examine what damages your skin most. Sunlight is necessary for life and health. But excessive sunlight can seriously damage your skin. Ultraviolet rays penetrate deep into skin layers. These rays damage cells at the microscopic level. UV exposure weakens collagen inside your skin. This slowly causes wrinkles and fine lines. Sun damage also affects skin elasticity over time. Your skin becomes weaker and less flexible. Ultraviolet radiation can also damage DNA. This increases long-term risk of skin disease. Excessive sun exposure accelerates visible aging. Your skin becomes dry and rough. Dark spots may begin forming on the surface. These are common signs of UV damage, but proper protection can reduce this damage greatly. Sunscreen blocks many harmful ultraviolet rays. Creates a protective barrier over your skin. Daily sunscreen use protects long-term skin health. Protective clothing also reduces sun exposure. Hats and sunglasses provide additional protection. Avoiding peak sunlight hours is also important. UV rays remain present even on cloudy days. Daily protection prevents cumulative skin damage. Small protective habits make a huge difference. Healthy skin depends on consistent sun protection. Pollution is another major threat to skin health. Air contains harmful microscopic toxic particles. These particles settle directly onto your skin. Over time, they clog pores and damage cells. Pollution weakens your skin's protective barrier. This allows deeper environmental damage to occur. Skin exposed to pollution often becomes dull, brightness and healthy appearance. Pollution increases oxidative stress inside skin cells. Oxidative stress accelerates visible skin aging. Free radicals damage important cellular structures. Collagen fibers weaken under constant oxidative stress. Your skin becomes rough and uneven over time. Long-term exposure increases visible aging signs. But your body has protective defense mechanisms. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals. They reduce oxidative stress inside the skin. Vitamin-rich foods support antioxidant protection. Healthy nutrition strengthens your skin naturally. Washing your face removes pollution particles. Proper skincare supports healthy skin barriers. Clean, healthy skin functions more effectively. Protection requires consistency every single day. Small daily habits improve long-term skin quality. Healthy skin depends on continuous protection. Water is essential for healthy skin function. Hydrated skin looks smoother and healthier. Also functions more efficiently every day. Dehydration weakens your skin barrier significantly. Dry skin becomes rough and fragile. Fine lines become more visible with dehydration. Water supports healthy cellular activity inside skin. It helps transport nutrients to skin cells. Hydration improves flexibility and skin elasticity. Drinking enough water is very important. Internal hydration supports long-term skin health. Moisturizers also help maintain hydration externally. They reduce water loss from the skin. Healthy skin retains moisture more effectively. Balanced hydration improves overall skin appearance. Hydrated skin reflects light more evenly. This creates a smoother, healthier glow. Hydration supports both beauty and protection. Both internal and external hydration matter greatly. Healthy hydration habits strengthen your skin barrier. Daily hydration improves long-term skin resilience. Small habits create visible skin improvements. Consistent hydration supports cellular balance. Healthy skin depends on proper water balance. Hydration is one of the simplest protections. Skin damage begins at the cellular level. Free radicals attack healthy skin cells constantly. These unstable molecules damage important structures. Collagen fibers weaken under oxidative stress. This accelerates visible signs of aging. But your body has natural repair systems. Skin cells regenerate continuously throughout life. New healthy cells replace damaged older cells. This repair process maintains healthy skin function. Nutrition strongly supports skin regeneration processes. Vitamin C helps produce healthy collagen fibers. Vitamin E protects cells from oxidative damage. Antioxidants support healthy cellular repair systems. Sleep is also essential for skin regeneration. Most cellular repair occurs during deep sleep. Poor sleep slows healing and recovery processes. Stress also affects your skin negatively. Chronic stress increases inflammation and damage. Managing stress improves long-term skin health. Healthy habits strengthen your repair systems. Your body constantly works to heal itself. Healthy lifestyle choices improve regeneration efficiency. Repair systems become stronger with consistency. Balanced living supports healthier, younger-looking skin. Your skin reflects your internal health daily. Daily habits determine long-term skin quality. Healthy foods provide nutrients for skin protection. Fruits and vegetables support healthy skin naturally. They provide antioxidants and important vitamins. Excessive sugar weakens collagen over time. Healthy, balanced diets support stronger skin structure. Exercise improves circulation throughout the body. Better circulation nourishes your skin cells. Oxygen and nutrients reach skin more efficiently. Physical activity also supports healthy skin glow. Sleep remains essential for long-term skin repair. Your body regenerates most effectively during rest. Daily sunscreen use protects against UV damage. Hydration maintains healthy skin function consistently. Skincare routines support your natural skin barrier. Consistency matters more than expensive treatments. Healthy skin develops through repeated healthy habits. Your skin reflects your lifestyle choices clearly. Small improvements create major long-term results. Healthy routines strengthen your skin gradually. Protection is more effective than repairing damage. Your future skin depends on today's habits. Healthy skin requires patience and consistency. Daily care builds healthier, stronger skin over time. Take care of your skin every single day. Protect it from unnecessary environmental damage. Support it with healthy lifestyle habits. Your skin works constantly to protect you. Now, it's your turn to protect your skin. Healthy skin starts with daily choices. Drink enough water throughout the entire day. Choose foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Protect your skin before damage happens. Healthy habits always produce long-term benefits. Your skin responds to everything you do daily. Good sleep improves your skin's repair process. Exercise increases healthy circulation and oxygen delivery. Hydration improves flexibility and smooth appearance. Balanced nutrition strengthens your skin naturally. Stress reduction supports healthier cellular activity. Daily routines shape your future skin health. Healthy skin reflects internal biological balance. Consistency creates visible improvements over time. Strong skin barriers prevent environmental damage effectively. Healthy skin protects your body more efficiently. Your skin constantly adapts to your environment. Proper care helps maintain youthful skin longer. Small habits repeated daily create major transformation. Long-term protection is always better than repair. Your choices today shape your future appearance. Healthy living supports every layer of your skin. Balanced habits improve both beauty and health. Your skin reflects your overall wellness clearly. Daily protection reduces visible aging significantly. Healthy skin is built one habit at a time. Your skin deserves consistent care and protection. Simple routines can create powerful long-term results. Protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. Hydrate your body and your skin daily. Choose foods that nourish your skin naturally. Healthy circulation improves cellular repair processes. Sleep allows your body to regenerate efficiently. Stress management improves overall skin health. Healthy habits strengthen your natural protection systems. Your skin works continuously to protect your body. Support your skin with healthy daily decisions. Small improvements become major long-term benefits. Healthy skin reflects balanced living and care. Your future skin depends on today's habits. Consistency matters more than perfection. Protection is easier than reversing damage later. Healthy skin supports confidence and overall wellness. Every healthy choice supports cellular repair. Balanced living creates stronger, healthier skin. Good habits improve both appearance and protection. Your skin responds to daily care continuously. Healthy routines create visible long-term transformation. Beautiful skin begins with healthy internal systems. Your skin reflects your lifestyle every day. Take care of your body from the inside out. Healthy hydration supports stronger skin barriers. Nutrition provides essential support for skin repair. Exercise improves circulation and oxygen delivery. Sleep supports natural regeneration and healing. Stress reduction protects your skin from inflammation. Daily sunscreen protects against long-term UV damage. Healthy skin requires patience and consistency. Strong skin barriers defend against harmful exposure. Healthy choices improve skin quality gradually. Small actions repeated daily create transformation. Balanced living supports healthier, youthful-looking skin. Your skin constantly reflects your internal health. Healthy routines improve skin resilience over time. Daily protection prevents premature visible aging. Healthy habits improve both beauty and function. Support your skin before serious damage occurs. Protective habits become powerful over many years. Your skin works hard to protect you daily. Now it's time to support your skin properly. Healthy skin begins with simple, consistent actions. Care for your skin every single day. Hydrate consistently and nourish your body well. Protect yourself from unnecessary environmental damage. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and healthy movement. Your skin will respond positively over time. Healthy skin supports confidence and long-term wellness. Consistency creates lasting visible improvements. Your future appearance depends on today's habits. Healthy choices build stronger, healthier skin layers. Protection and prevention are always worth it. Your skin deserves daily care and attention. Small, healthy routines create powerful long-term results. Support your body and your skin together. Healthy skin reflects healthy living from within. Protect your skin today for a healthier future.